present, because the present is the effect of the past. We need to throw the past in the past, setting the present from its burden. The bother you feel is that you're afraid, but nobody except you as you really are, because you think that you have been refused once. Everybody needs somebody else. No man is an island.
Every man is an island, and anyway, this is the right moment to be an island. This is the era of islands. 100 years ago, you had to depend on the others. Nobody has a TV or CDs or DVDs or coffee machines at home. Actually, there was nothing cool.
You need more than this. You need the friend. You need more than this. You need the friend.
She taken a bit of everything. I see. When I survived, she was already with her as usual. Do you know her? She's my best friend.
Resin comes from pain, a tear that drifts for a wandering tree.
So strong couples, they can flee away like water, abandoned drink. They stick to the ground to keep their company, trap and resist and grow higher. The past will exist until we realize it. The future will wait for us and give us hope. The present will be worth living until we have friends.
If you draw a line, you talk on the floor. It is as deep as walking on the thinnest of all streets.
Anyway, anyone could do it without any problem, because it's not dangerous.
If you pretend that the stream is nothing else but a drowning of each other, and the air around is the ground, you can go feeling safe on all the streams in the world. Auntie, Peter, Mariah, what you done? To have friends is a risk.
Like an Christmas in there takes little steps, looking for stability and motion in each one of them.
The greedy streams enters around himself and the others. When we survive, he will believe in it. He can't turn back, otherwise he would lose his balance. And he can't look down, otherwise he would feel dizzy and he would fall.
He can only look forward, keeping his head up.
What is important inside us, nobody can help us from outside. Everything becomes possible if we are in contact with ourselves, if we are getting on well with each other and living in love.
Not only working on a roof, but also flying.
Don't walk in front of me. I might not be able to follow you. Don't walk behind me. I might not be able to lead you. Hold my side, and we always be friends.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always thought that we were blessed, and I felt that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through.